Lesson 6, Real World. Lesson 7, Review. Let's review. Sweater, sweater. Pants, pants. Socks, socks. Shoes, shoes. Shorts, shorts. Costume, costume. I'm wearing a sweater. I'm wearing a sweater. I'm wearing pants. I'm wearing pants. I'm wearing socks. I'm wearing socks. I'm wearing shoes. I'm wearing shoes. I'm wearing shorts. I'm wearing shorts. I'm wearing a costume. I'm wearing a costume. Colors, colors. Orange, orange. Black, black. Red, red. Green, green. Purple, purple. Let's practice. Black shoes, black shoes. Green socks, green socks. Blue shorts, blue shorts. Purple sweater, purple sweater. Red costume, red costume. Pink pants, pink pants. What are you wearing? I'm wearing black shoes. I'm wearing black shoes. What are you wearing? I'm wearing green socks. I'm wearing green socks. What are you wearing? I'm wearing blue shorts. I'm wearing blue shorts. What are you wearing? I'm wearing a purple sweater. I'm wearing a purple sweater. What are you wearing? I'm wearing a red costume. I'm wearing a red costume. What are you wearing? I'm wearing pink pants. I'm wearing pink pants.